Hello everyone, this is our third video on the topic matter. In this video we study change of state of matter. So let's see. Change of state. All the three states of matter are converted to other states. जो तीनों states होते हैं matter के solid, liquid and gas, all these are converted to other states of matter. Here we see melting. What is melting? When solid melts, converted into liquid. When solid is converted into liquid, the process is known as melting. For example, when we kept a bulb outside the fridge, outside the refrigerator, we see that the ice starts to melt and change to liquid. Ice melting water. Second is freezing. So let's see what is freezing. When liquid freezes to solid. When the water freezes to ice or solid is known as freezing. For example, here, if in a ice tray if we fill the ice tray with water and kept it in a freezer, we see after an hour we see that the water changes to ice. Here is water freeze into ice. Next is evaporation. When liquid vaporizes to gas. When the liquid is converted or vaporizes to gas, it is known as evaporation. When here example, when we heat up water, it changes into vapor. Water evaporation, vapor. Okay. Next is condensation. So let's see what is condensation. When gas converts to liquid. Here when gas converts to liquid, जब gaseous state को हम liquid state में convert करते तो इस process को हम condensation कहते हैं. Gas change to water. We can understand all these processes. हम इन सभी process को ऐसे समझ सकते हैं. Ice, when we kept it outside the refrigerator, it's converted or melts into water. The process is known as melting. Second, water when heats or boil changes into vapor. The process is known as evaporation. Next, vapor when cooled change or converted to water. The process is known as condensation. Water when kept in a refrigerator, the process changes into ice. The process is known as freezing. And when here are the some states in which the solid directly changes to vapor or vapor directly changes to solid. So let's see. When the vapor directly changes to ice, the process is known as deposition. And when the ice directly changes to vapor, the process is known as sublimation. Here is the definition. Sublimation, when solid directly changes into gaseous state, we called it as sublimation. Deposition, when gas directly changes to solid state, the process is known as deposition. So it's all about matter. Thank you.